What if I told you that the laptop you're using right now is a $5,000 a month ATM, and you don't need a single cent of capital to turn it on? Most people think you need expensive software or a massive team to build a profitable side hustle. They're wrong. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the exact AI-powered system I use to generate $5,000 in monthly recurring revenue using only free tiers of the world's most powerful tools. Ready to start? Welcome back to AI Income Lab. I'm here to prove that the barrier to entry for digital entrepreneurship has officially hit zero. In this video, we aren't just talking theory, I'm showing you my personal workflow. We'll cover how to automate content, build a professional landing page, and create a marketing funnel that works 24/7. By the end of this, you'll have a clear roadmap to replicate my success. Keep your eyes peeled for the specific tool I use to scale once you hit your first $1,000. Step 1 is content velocity. You need high-converting copy without hiring a $200 an hour writer. I use the Copy.ai free plan for this. It's perfect for generating blog posts, social media hooks, and email sequences in seconds. You simply input your niche, let's say, fitness coaching, and let the engine spit out high-engagement copy. If you produce 5 high-value articles a week, you're building authority. I've seen beginners use this to land their first $500 freelance client within 72 hours. It's not just about speed, it's about quality that mimics a human pro. By spending just 30 minutes a day here, you're creating the backbone of your digital presence for absolutely $0. Next, you need to be found. That's where Writesonic comes in. This is my secret weapon for SEO-optimized content that actually ranks on Google. Why does this matter? Because search traffic is free traffic. I use Writesonic to take the content I generated in Copy.ai and refine it with specific SEO keywords that my target audience is searching for. The process is simple: paste your draft, run it through the SEO tool, and let it optimize the meta tags and structure. I've seen my organic traffic jump by 40% using this method alone. It turns a boring blog post into a lead generation machine, bringing you clients while you sleep. No ads, no budget, just pure organic growth. Now that you have traffic, you need a place to send them. You don't need to learn code or pay a web designer. Hostinger's AI website builder is a game changer. It literally builds a professional, fully responsive site based on a few prompts about your business. It's the fastest way to look like $1 million company on day one. Once you're ready to scale, I highly recommend checking out Jasper AI. It's the industry standard for professional-level content creation. Using my link in the description helps support the channel, and it's the tool I personally use to take my content quality from good to industry-leading once I start seeing those $5,000 months roll in. It's the investment that pays for itself 10 times over. A business without visuals is invisible. Canva Pro is the final piece of the puzzle. You can design stunning lead magnets, social media carousels, and professional ads using their AI magic design feature. I use this to create high-converting assets that I then link to my Hostinger site. By automating your design workflow, you save hours every single week. This is how you transition from a side hustle to a scalable brand. When you can produce professional-grade visuals in minutes, your perceived value skyrockets, allowing you to charge higher prices. It's the difference between being an amateur and a pro. Spend 15 minutes a day in Canva and you'll have a month's worth of content ready to go. Here's the secret nobody tells you: success isn't about using the most tools, it's about the loop. You use Copy.ai for the hook, Writesonic for the SEO, Hostinger for the landing page, and Canva for the creative. But the secret sauce is consistency. I set up an automation where my content is pushed to social channels every day at 9 a.m. I don't touch it. I only log in to reply to comments and close sales. Most people give up because they don't see results in week 1. But if you follow this loop for 90 days, you aren't just building a side hustle, you're building a digital asset that prints money. That is your unfair advantage. You have the tools, you have the roadmap, and you have zero excuses. Everything I mentioned today is linked in the description below, including my top picks to get you started faster. If you found this breakdown valuable, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. We're dropping the blueprint for your first $5,000. Don't let these tools sit there, go build something today. I want to see your results in the comments. Thanks for watching AI Income Lab, and I'll see you in the next one.